Hello and welcome to In the Kitchen with Matt. I am your host, Matt Taylor. Today I'm going to show you how to make homemade ranch dressing. Yummy. I love ranch dressing. It's my favorite salad dressing, and I love dipping my fresh veggies in it. It's so good. I go through a lot of ranch. I just eat so much of it. Super easy to do, really yummy to make it at home. If I can do it, you can do it. Before we move on, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my new videos. Let's get started. Down below in the description box, you'll find a list of the ingredients and their amounts. And so I'm going to begin with a small little bowl here, and we're going to do equal parts of mayo, buttermilk, and sour cream. I have a video for how to make your own buttermilk here on my channel, as well as how to make your own sour cream as well, in case you don't have any. Here in the United States, buttermilk and sour cream are readily available and pretty cheap. So I'm just going to add these. That's a half a cup of sour cream. And you can play with the amounts, especially the mayo. If you don't want to use a full half cup of mayo, you could use like a fourth of a cup. But a classic homemade ranch uses kind of equal parts of the three of these. And then buttermilk. I'm just going to come in here with a whisk, and we're going to whisk this together. Simple as that. And you could honestly just use it as is, but it won't taste nearly as well as if you add all these extra ingredients, okay? And all these extra ingredients, they're all optional, but they all help to make it amp up the flavor. So I'm going to begin with about 2 tablespoons of fresh parsley. And you could use dry parsley if you want. About a tablespoon and a half of fresh green onion, or some people use chives instead. Dill, fresh dill. I love fresh dill. This is about 2 teaspoons of fresh dill. I'm going to whisk these in. Yeah. About a half a teaspoon to a teaspoon of garlic powder. Or you could use fresh minced garlic if you want. Half a teaspoon of onion powder. About a half a teaspoon of apple cider vinegar. This just adds a little bit extra zing. Or whisk these all in there. Okay, I'm going to switch over to this. Already it looks like ranch dressing. So amazing. And then we're going to do a little bit of salt and pepper to taste. I usually do about a half a teaspoon or so of salt. Again, you can play with the ingredients, the amounts. I encourage you to make it like this first and then adjust as needed. But really, if you don't like one of the ingredients, then don't add it at all. A little bit of black pepper. About an eighth of a teaspoon of black pepper. About a half a teaspoon or so of salt. And then I'm going to add just a little bit of freshly squeezed lemon juice, about a teaspoon, and you can add a little bit more. That'll add some more zing. And there we go, look at that. Fresh, homemade ranch dressing. And then you can chill this in the refrigerator until you want to serve it. The longer you chill it, the more the ingredients will kind of meld together and the better it'll taste, and it'll thicken up also in the fridge. And then what I'll do is I'll just give it a little taste. It's really, really good as is. I don't feel like I need to add anything more, but if once you taste it, you could add a little bit more salt, a little bit more pepper, any one of the extra ingredients if you want. Well, there you go. Super easy homemade ranch dressing. Super yummy. If I can do it, you can do it. Once again, my name is Matt Taylor. This has been another episode of In the Kitchen with Matt. Thank you for joining me. As always, if you have any questions, comments, or requests, Put them down below, and I will get back to you as soon as I can. Thumbs up, down in the corner, push it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Take care. All right, I've got a little fresh carrot here. There we go, so yummy. Mmm.